What's going on today, guys? Austin from Ratchet Wrenches is here. Don't mind my band-aid. I split my head open earlier this week. But yeah, today we're going to bring you guys a video of the GTI. We're going to clean up the interior. We're going to do a rug doctor because honestly I don't know the last time I've really cleaned the interior, especially with winter and all the mud and rain. I really haven't had the time nor energy to really want to do it. So figured today it's a little bit of a warmer day, so I'll take care of that for you. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot to us. I know Wes and Dan are very appreciative as well, and we're gonna have a 1,000 subscriber video for you guys coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys are new, please help us out. Subscribe, comment, like, turn on that notification bell so you never miss a Ratchet Wrenches video. Also, check out our merchandise. It's pretty badass. I'll link it down in the description, and follow us on Instagram. But without further ado, I'm going to go to ShopRite, rent a rug doctor for $19.99, and I get that for 4 hours, so that's not bad. I think I could accomplish it all in 4 hours, so I'll get that, and then I think you have to do a security deposit of $25. But you get that back if you bring it back in the way you got it. So without further ado, I'm going to go get it, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. The rug doctor. Never used one before, but I'm sure it's pretty easy. To be honest, I'm not sure. And then I just bought this for $9. Get out of the bag. Yeah, so clearly with the snow, the rain, I've been tracking mud into my car. These seats have never been rug doctored, so I'm kind of excited to see how much dirt comes off. You can see they're kind of like faded, so this is gonna make it look brand new. That one has like a stain that will come right off. Obviously the floor, and then we're gonna do the back. Whoever was in my car last, spilled some, I think it was like honey mustard or something right there. You can see that big spot. I'll take that whole seat off and redo that. And into the trunk, there's a mat that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this whole mat. Probably actually the back of there. I'm just gonna do everything. I have 4 hours to do it, so I'm gonna try and get as much done as possible. So right now I'm gonna start taking off the front seats, and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so oh my god, you can see I'm just shit. That's all gonna go away. But first things first, to get the seat out, slide it all the way back so you can access this bolt. And then there's one over there. And I don't know if you have a ratchet or a ratcheting gun or whatever, but it's a 12 point socket. And once we get these two, we're gonna slide it all the way up, lean this up so we can access the back ones. And then, of course, if there's gonna be wires on the bottom that connect the airbags and whatnot, so I'm gonna have to disconnect those. But be careful, if you don't have a what's it called, a DTC checker, like a code reader, you might not be able to reset the airbag light that's gonna pop off once you disconnect those. So you might have to take it to a shop, or you could just go to like AutoZone or somewhere local that could read it and just delete it, because once you unplug it, it's gonna trigger the code. But since I'm one-handed right now, I'm gonna take off the 2 bolts and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so I got the 4 bolts out. So this is just gonna be loose. So I'm gonna tilt it back so I could show you the wires for the airbags and all that stuff. I'm gonna unplug that. I'm gonna remove the seat. Oh, look at that. Money, money, money. I'm rich now. But I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna take this out, and then I'll get that one and we'll start cleaning. All right, so no seats are in. First thing I'm gonna do is take just a small vacuum, get as much loose stuff as I can. And careful of these brackets, they belong to the rail for the sliding rail. But yeah, I'm gonna get as much loose stuff as I can. Obviously, I'm gonna get these seats out, or the covers, the mats, and then I'm gonna get this as clean as possible, and then I'm gonna start rug doctoring it. But I'm gonna do like a time lapse for you guys. pretty much all the loose stuff that we could get with the regular vacuum. Now we're gonna fill this up with warm tap water and mix it with soap. And we're gonna start rug doctoring. I'm probably gonna do the seats and the carpets first, and then I'm gonna do the interior where like the seats cover, and then obviously I'm gonna remove the rear seat and do that as well. But for right now, I'm gonna go fill it up with warm tap water and mix it with soap. I'll be right back. All right, so I poured 3 ounces into the water tank, the clean water tank. And on the back of this cap, there's a measuring cup, so it makes it very easy. And then obviously that's gonna be the dirty, where it pulls, extracts all that dirty water and whatnot, and puts it into there. But I'm gonna set it up and then we're gonna go. Alright, so we're making progress on the front. I still got a lot to do. But, yeah, I mean, this thing's pretty easy. Just wet it down and go in one straight line. Or it's hard with the angle, so you kind of saw me finessing all over the place. But I'm going to go straight to that seat because that seat needs some loving right now. Because I only have 4 hours, so I want to get the most scene taken care of. Because this will be obviously under the seat. But obviously there, I'm going to get it done. But we're going to go to this now. So I'm working on this side. I could continue to time lapse it, but I'm not going to drag on this video. So I'm going to finish this up off camera, and then I'm going to show you the finished result with the seats in, the mats in, and everything. So far so good. There's a lot of little stuff that we have to get out on camera. It probably looks like a lot, but there's really not that much. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm running out of time. You could literally spend hours on this. I mean, I got it as good as I can for the time frame. Next time I'm gonna go with a 24 hours because 4 hours is definitely not enough to really pick up everything. But I mean, it's not bad. His seats are a lot better. They're a lot brighter, or not as dull, I should say. This is just a dry spot already. But I mean, yeah, this car needs a full-on detail. I need to, once it like becomes like spring out, I'm gonna buff, clean, literally make this car pop for whoever's gonna buy it. But that's just a little quick tutorial for today. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed, learned, and whatnot. So I emptied the dirty water, and that's what came out. It's a little bubbly, but look at that. That's disgusting. All that dirt was caked up in those seats. So it might not look like it did much through the camera, but in person, they're definitely a lot brighter. They're not as dull. And clearly, a lot of freaking dirt came off. That's disgusting. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is Austin from Ratchet Wrenches. I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers again. We're going to be uploading a little more now, consistently, now that we're going to be monetized. Obviously we want the project car, the S3, the WRX, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, something different. And yeah, just wait till springtime, man. Big things coming. You can see how cold it is. Jesus Christ, my nose is Rudolph over here. But yeah, smash that subscribe button, comment, like, turn on that notification bell, tell your friends, follow us on Instagram, check out our merch. Teespring, it's in the link below or in the description. I'll tag it. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace.